Introduction. Happy birthday, dear Rick. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. We were 4 friends at birthday party. Rick had cut the cake in 4 equal pieces, and each of us got 1 piece. Do you know, this reminds me of fractions. Want to know more? Join me to wade through the world of fractions. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you would be able to understand fractions, make part of a whole to show fractions, understand and write equivalent fractions. You just saw we had 4 pieces of a cake. I ate 1 out of 4. If I eat 1 piece of cake, how can we count it? Yes, we will use fractions for such type of counting. A fraction is a part of whole. My eating of cake can be counted as 1 by 4 piece. Wow, pizza! I like pizza very much. I like it too. Can you share this pizza with me? Yeah, sure. Let's divide the pizza into 2 equal pieces. This can be written as 1 by 2. We also want to eat pizza. Okay, let's divide the pizza into 4 pieces. Each part of pizza is written as 1 by 4. Let us now study about equivalent fractions. Look at the rectangular boxes given below. In the first figure, 2 by 4 boxes are blue, while in the second figure, 4 by 8 boxes are blue.